Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Ethereum with PayPal. What you need to do? First you need to go to this site baxful.com and then buy Bitcoin. Just click here and select Ethereum. After that pay via, click PayPal. I want to spend, you can type any amount here, but anyway you have minimum amount. After that click find offers. Here I got only one, and this one he has 731 likes, and when I want to buy, just click here buy. This is what you need to do if you want to buy Ethereum with PayPal. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.